English story by Joe. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
Story name. Your fate depends upon the sum of your actions. Once, King Dewatthati had a son. One day, while the prince was asleep, a small snake went into his stomach through his mouth. The small snake hid inside the stomach, taking it for a hole. So, the prince was feeling pain in his stomach. Although the physicians gave treatment to him to relieve pain, he was not feeling better. The prince was disappointed, and so he went out of the palace dressing like an ordinary man. Thus, the prince left his country and lived in a wayside public rest house in Varanasi. There he was begging for money or things like a beggar. King of Varanasi had 2 daughters. They usually went and paid homage to their father every morning. The elder daughter said, "Long live the king. Thanks to your good deeds, the entire country has been prosperous." The younger daughter also said, "Your Majesty, you will have to reap what you sow." The king was pleased with the word of the elder daughter, but not that of the younger one. As for the daughter who believes in karma, look for a beggar by the roadside and marry her off to him so that she will suffer in accordance with her word. On account of the king's order, the ministers married the younger daughter off to a beggar begging for money or things at the rest house on the outskirts of the city. Then they left her. And so the married couple begged for money or things the whole day. Being very tired, they fell asleep lying down for a little while with their heads near an anthill under the shade of the tree. A snake came out from inside the anthill and talked with a small snake in the male beggar's stomach. Meanwhile, the princess who was awake heard the snakes talking strangely. While talking, the 2 snakes were trying to get the better of one another. The snake from the anthill said, "The prince didn't know that you entered his stomach. The method is quite easy. If he drank the liquid available from boiling mustard in water, you would die and his disease would also be cured. The same goes for you. If hot water was poured into your hole, you would also die. When you die, they will take pots of gold you are guarding." After quarreling for some time, the snake from the anthill went into its hole again. In accordance with the secret words spoken by the 2 snakes, the princess made the prince drink the liquid available from boiling mustard in water. The prince's disease was cured. Then, when hot water was poured into the anthill, the snake inside died. Moreover, 2 pots of gold from inside the anthill were acquired. The prince and the princess were overjoyed because not only was the disease cured but also the 2 pots of gold were acquired. Taking along the princess with him, the prince went back to his country. Before long, when his father king passed away, the prince ascended the throne and ruled the country in accordance with the 10 precepts incumbent on a king.
This is the end of the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.